لله والصلاة والسلام على أشرف رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. For in peace and salutation be upon the Messenger Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I have made special and privilege to be in front of you in this hilarious, obvious occasion. Within the topic is religion, a problem or a solution. Confined to the global acceptability of religion is itself to show the applicability and adaptability of religion in the sense. And for a very good example, if you are connecting to India, the Indian Constitution passed right to religion or religious propagation, expression and expression of all citizens is a right in Article 25. So, this itself is stating the importance, the significance that the religion have entrance in the general public and societal aspect, taking to the another aspect that life is all about a purpose. If life is all about a purpose, the religion is always a solution for the person. Because what is the religion state the way to attain the purpose, the way of doing to get into the purpose. But for a person who not up to the purpose or not following to particular goal or a rational or a liberal mentality or a narrative or a argumentalistic communities is working him, then it is totally upon a cancellation that he will incline towards without the purpose. Then for him, for such kinds of holding mentality and metaphor will always lead him to the belief that he will stick without the purpose. And that religion is a problem for those mentality thinking for those two phenomena are quite welcome for guiding the purpose. And religion. The religion is a solution for the person with a purpose. A person without the purpose is always having the problems in the religion. And that problems create the universal problems, which create a problem in the sense of whole is very clear example to the state. That is, religion, something there phenomenon and something there equality. That to be adopted and abide to give to the purpose. The meaning of life is taking an academic perspective with uptaking the research scholars like former research scholars in Islamic Orthodox and Islamic theology. All are stating the importance on the publication. The importance of religion in the sense of Islam have given to publication and description have a more amount of emission. That inclines towards a beautiful way of life. That path itself to show that there is something copy, adopted and abide. This is itself in motivation. This is itself in motivational thinking or a common sense that create from mind in order to achieve life goals. So, is religion a problem? Is a no a more question or a question mark? Religion is always a solution for the person. Who look forward, we look behind. The dignity will look beyond. The dignity of having an human quality. Rather than extremist anarchist version of something. Religion is always a solution. Conclude religion is a solution for the person, for me, and for everything that being to access to the goodness. Thank you. I conclude my words. Wa akhir da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum.